To transfer data into your new POCO X8 Pro from the other Android phone, in this case I'm using a Nothing phone, first of all you have to go to the Google Play Store on the both devices and you have to make sure that you have downloaded Mi Mover application. This is the app that we are going to use in this video. So we have to open it on the both devices, but first of all let's start from set it up on the POCO X8 Pro. So click agree for everything and select the new device, because here we're gonna receive all the items. Select all the device model. So this is the Nothing phone. It means that I have to select the Android. Now I have to click for all of those permissions. There we go. Now I have to select that I already installed this application. And now on this device, on this old device, you have to also accept all of those permissions. Select old device, accept these permissions just one by one for everything, because without this you'll be not able to fully use it. Now we have to go for that permissions, we have to enable it just one by one. Here we have to search for Mi Mover application, click on this switcher, go back and just follow these instructions like you see to get everything. So just select this Mi Mover application, grant permission, and then just go back to the application. Oops, I just misclick. Now it's searching for a new device, so we have to just keep both devices close to each other. And as you can see, for me, the automatic detection works, so I can click on POCO X8. But sometimes you have to select to connect to the new device manually, and you have to follow on-screen instructions. But let's say everything is fine, you have to just click to connect, click connect again. And now, as you can see, they are connecting. So on our old phone, we have to select everything that we want to share into our POCO X8 Pro. And you can even customize this. So for example, if you don't want to send everything for audio files, you can just unselect this and, for example, only send videos or only documents. So we can just customize this like you want, just up to your preferences. And right now, take a look. You have to click next. Now we can find those two important information. We have to mark them, click send, and keep both phones close to each other to actually send all of this date. Here you can find received date and time less than 1 minute. So it will go pretty fast. You have to just wait until the process will be finished. And that's everything for this video.